I will show you a simple GBPUSD strategy beginners can start using immediately with support, resistance, and confirmation candle. I'm going to draw everything from A to Z for you so that you can learn the strategy from A to Z. Make sure you guys to subscribe, like, share this video, join my Telegram group, ask me any question on the comment section or DM me on Telegram if you are not clear with this particular strategy I'm about to show you right now on this video. So you can also do it on your phone. You don't need a laptop, you don't need a big screen. You can do it with your mobile phone right now. I'm going to do everything live with you right now with my mobile phone right now on this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video to others to learn. So if you want to know a valid support level and resistance, make sure I recommend to go to your daily candle. All right, you are going to find a recent strong support level. You can see what the market is doing around this area. All right, the market do something like this. Let me show you something. I don't want to waste your time, so that because you need to understand what I want to show you. The market spike up from this level, you can see, to this level. All right, we see a lot of spike. The market's all right, spike up, then the market try to come down again. Okay, sorry, let me show you again. All right, then the market try to, after that, the market come to, pull back. All right, but it doesn't break the level, it doesn't break this particular level. So after the market touched here again, the market slightly, it didn't break again. The market just tried to stay here, all right, at this level on daily candle. Then the market tried to retest again on this level. All right, so that is where the market stopped, and the market doesn't break down. So that means this particular area, all right, we are seeing a very strong support level on the daily candle here. So what you need to do when you see this kind of thing, so far the market doesn't break that particular level, all right, but we have to trade with confirmation candle. All right, don't trade blindly. So this is where you are going to draw your support, a recent one, not this one. This is a recent support level here. All right, so far the market doesn't break that level, but you have to trade it with confirmation candle. And also, if you want to even also trade, you can also trade your strong, because this particular area I'm sure is a very strong daily candle, is very strong. All right, you can see, draw your resistance level around this level as well, and just leave it like this. All right, so so far the market doesn't break that level. What you have to be trading them with just your maybe, but you have to wake up by 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock Nigerian time to trade GBPUSD. That is where the move normally starts. So let's go back to our 4 hours candle to check. All right, you can see on our 4-hour candle the market is ranging between that particular level. It doesn't break it. All right, but you must make sure you are trading this particular ranging market with what? With candle confirmation, so that you will not lose, you will not try to lose your money here. All right, so you can see the market failed to break that failed to break this level currently. You can see it here. All right, so now we have already identified a very strong level. Support means where the market failed to break. All right, then the resistance means where the market failed to break up. All right, we can call this one a ceiling, and we can call this one a floor. All right, this area we can call this area as a ceiling, while this area as a floor. All right, so that it doesn't break. So then you can also come to this area 1 hour and check again. Also, our 1 hour is also aligned with our 4 hours. All right, with our 4 hours 4 hours level. So you can be trading this level, but with confirmation candle, so that you will not be trading blindly. So let me show you something real quick. You can see on this particular 1 hour candle, you can see the market just drastically. Okay, let me show you something so that you can learn from this video. The market, let's say the market come to this area here. All right, pull back. All right, then the markets come and retest, then come to this area. After that, the market sell drastically to this level. So what is the reason why the market sell? Is because of this particular candle I'm about to show you. That's actually you should be trading this particular strategy with candle confirmation. This is your resistance. This is your what? This is your resistance level. All right, why this area is your support level where the market failed to break down. All right, so I can even either name it for you, but let me just leave it like that so that you guys can understand what I mean. So let me just even name it for you with let me just put something like this on the top here so that you can understand. All right, this area can be your support. Let me just go, let's say resistance. You can see I've already named it for you. That area is resistance level. So let me just come down again on this area to show you something real quick so that I just want you to understand what so that you will not try to. Let me just draw another trend line. Let me just put it down here around this zone. I'm just trying to give a sample. All right, and this area we call it support. You can see I've already done it for you. So this area is your resistance, while this area is your support level. Are you clear right now? So now you can see this candle. There is one particular candle I want to show you on this area. All right, we call it what? Bearish rejection candle. This particular, it's a green, but it has a very long tail, at the top. All right, so let me show you the candle on one of my picture. Let me show you. So right now you can see this can you see? We can call it bearish spike or bearish rejection. This candle I just mark. You can see it has a very long wick and small body at the bottom here. Small body at the bottom and a very long wick at the top. All right, you can see. That means when you see this kind of candle on your resistance level, that means the market is trying to change a trend to start selling. All right, then you can see this one, we call it bullish what? Rejection candle. When you see it on the support level, that means the market is trying to do what? It's trying to do what? It's trying to, you want to buy at that particular time. So I will show you the example of this particular two candle right now on this particular chart. Let me show you. Let me just go to chart to show you right now, guys. You can see right now after this particular candle form on this, okay, after this particular candle form around this area, you can see how the market do what on 1 hour time frame. All right, then let me just show you something so that you can see. You can see after the candle form, you can enter your trade and target the support level and put your stop loss. All right, after the second candle, can you see the market do what? The market sell drastically to the support level. All right, then let me give you another let me just look for another second one. All right, here a bullish one that form. You can see this is another one. You can see this one, we call it, and you see this one form. You can see a very long wick at the bottom, then small body at the top. You can see small body at the top. You can see this is what I'm trying to show you. This particular green candle. All right, it formed, but the market don't really spike up, but the market really spike up small. You can see after the candle form, the market change and the market starts pumping up to the, let me show you. After the candle form, what the market do, you can put your long position and targets little bit, not really much. The market even makes some profits after the candle form, and the market doesn't come down to your to your stop loss. You can see. All right, so all these candle, you need to be memorizing them very well. You can also confirm it on your 15-minute candle without even waiting for 1 hour, so that you can, or even 5 minutes or 15 minutes, Let me show you on the 15 minutes candle. All right, you can see on the 15-minute candle, can you see the market form? But this one, it doesn't form very well, but it's still forming small. All right, on the 15-minute or even 30-minute candle. Let me use like 30 minutes, but 30 minutes is too. Yeah, on the 30 minute you can see a very long wick. All right, it form, but it doesn't form well, but it's still all right, trying to the trend want to change at this particular moment. But make sure the thing is at the what is at the support level. Don't trade it without when the market is at the center here. No, don't do that. The market must not be at the center. The market must come down to the what to the support level before you can trade this kind of strategies. It's very, very, very important. Okay, so make sure you memorize this particular candle, either bullish rejection candle and and bearish rejection candle. Then there is another candle I want to show you right now here. This candle also is very, very good. All right, we call this one a bullish engulfing. All right, a bullish what? A bullish engulfing. The red, the green candle that engulf the red, the green candle that engulf the red, we call it bullish engulfing. When the candle form near support level, you can see how the market what? The market just do what? Spike up. Let me show you. Can see the market after the candle form, what the market do? Let me put my what around this level here. All right, the market just spike up. No, sorry, put your stop loss after the candle form. You can see the market just spike up. We call this particular candle, we call it what? Bullish engulfing candle. Bullish engulfing candle. Let me show you on my one of my pictures. So this is the bullish engulfing candle, a bullish engulfing patterns, meaning signal and trading strategy. Bullish engulfing, bullish candle close above previous candle open. You can see. All right, you need to just close above this particular red candle. That means the market is trying to change the trend at that moment. It must make sure to be at the demand zone, all right, or support zone, so that you can catch the move immediately. All right, so those are the two, and we also have bearish engulfing candle, but that bearish engulfing candle normally show at the resistance level. Let me show you. You can see this is the bearish candle, bearish engulfing candle. All right, this is, can you see bearish engulfing, bearish candle? All right, you need to just close below the what? Below the green candle. All right, so that means, so the market is trying, and you must make sure the market is near the supply zone or resistance level before you can take the trade. It's very, very important, guys. You can see this one after this particular bullish engulfing candle form. The market just spike up to the upside. All right, to the up. All right, so these are the candle you need to just memorize: bullish engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle, bullish rejection candle, bearish rejection candle. Make sure you guys to memorize this particular candle. You can see it's very, very important, guys. So this video is very for beginner and who want to start trading, to learn some simple strategy so that enjoying your trading journey on GBPUSD. So make sure you guys just like this video and share this video to everybody you know, so that you can learn from this particular trading strategy. Thank you guys for watching the video. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye for now.